Hey!
Hey! You really love attention, don't you?
Well, when you're good, you're good. And when you're loaded, you can buy the world. And people's attention.
Whatever.
Yeah. Girls, if you don't mind. Please.
Toodles.
That was weird. Anyways. So, tell me, what did you do this past weekend?
Nothing much, I suppose. But we did go to the village in Kinglamstown and we had an imbeleko. They were traditional healers too.
How so old-fashioned? Get a life, girl.
I know. It is kind of freaky. But you know when the drums beat.
What do you mean the drums beat?
Well, they beat in a certain way when the ancestors are calling you.
Now I'm freaked out. I keep on having these weird dreams about drums beating, and it also includes a river.
A river?
Yeah, so what?
That could be a call. It does seem traditionally related.
No way, girl. I live in the 21st century. I have all I need and the world at my feet. That stuff is so history and puts in the bad light with the real men. My dream is just a random dream. I don't live by dreams. I live by reality and money. Yeah. The time is now.
Paul, where's your assignment?
The time is now.
Paul, I'm waiting for your assignment.
The time is now.
Paul, what is the matter?
Excuse me, sir.
Vuma mntwana. Ixesha selifikile.
Who is that? Stop it, please. I beg you. This is not funny. It's not funny anymore. Cut it out.
Vuma mntwana.
Zinhle? Is that you? Sorry about what I said earlier about traditional stuff. Please, just stop it now.
Vuma.
Stop it.
Vuma.
Stop it.
Vuma.
Stop it.
Quick, she's having a fit. Let's get her to the office.
Mpo, I was so worried about you. What happened?
I don't know. I kept hearing voices. I thought someone is trying to play a trick on me.
Voices? What kind of voices?
It was a woman's voice. She kept on saying, Vuma, the time is near. The doctors have examined me, and they say I'm healthy.
Mpo, my friend, you need a different doctor. You should visit a Sangoma. It's a calling. You have to agree to it.
I hate it when you talk about traditional stuff. I hate it.
But Mpo, you have to. I'm telling you. My cousin also went through the same thing.
No, this can't be happening. I haven't been brought up this way. I know nothing about the culture. I don't even believe in it. They wouldn't want me.
These are powerful forces. They recognize potential. You have to agree to it. It will be dangerous if you don't.
You mean they sent a hitman?
No. Worse. A curse.
Zinhle, I'm scared. Will you please help me with this?
Do you trust me?
Yes, I do.
I'll take you to a sangoma, and she'll be able to advise you.
It's her!
Who?
Her!
Yay, makhosi. Mkhulu wakho uyakufuna mntwana. Vuma ubizo. Okanye uzaqhubekeka nokugula. Yay, makhosi.
No! He never even cared about me. My mom told me.
Your mother kept you away from him. She always knew that you were special. But your father wouldn't let her near you. He didn't want you to be influenced. Yay! Makhosi! Hey! Jabona! Jabona!
Mom,
Yes, dear.
what was that Mkhulu like?
He's dead. What does it matter?
You always said he wasn't interested in us. Why?
Why on earth are you bringing this up? He's been dead for 7 years now.
He has been in my thoughts.
Why? What is going on?
Tell me about him, please.
He didn't like the idea that I rejected cultural things. When I married your father, we were determined to live a modern life. We wanted to do away with cultural things. We wanted to give our children a life free from cultural hang-ups. That is why we kept it to ourselves. Now tell me, why have you been thinking about him?
Mom, I've had a calling from him.
No. Damn you, Baba. You said it would come back to haunt me. But why, my daughter? Damn you. My darling, this is not the life we planned for you.
Mom, I'm so scared. The Sangoma says...
The who?
The Sangoma.
You went to see a sangoma? Are you crazy?
I started having these dreams, and then started having visions, and hearing voices.
No. Stay away from her. Fight her. Fight him. I will help you.
It's not like it's my first choice, but it's a calling. Do I have a choice?
Yes. No. Yes. It's your life. You can choose how to live it.
Mama,
Mtana,
I don't want to get sick, and...
my darling, I understand the difficulty of the decision better than you think.
Mama,
Mtana,
what must I do? Whichever way I go, I lose.
my darling, you heard the calling. I am the one who will suffer, as this was my decision. I am the one who tried to turn my back on my culture. The ancestors are punishing me. I am the one who will suffer either way.
I don't know who to turn to. What must I do?
Vuma mntwana. Ixesha selifikile.
No!
Vuma mntwana.
Please, you don't understand.
Iba semlanjeni ngomso.
Which river?
What green